In this demo, we're going to show you how Cognite Data Fusion uses built-in functionality to automate entity matching. Entity matching is a type of data contextualization that links data from two or more sources that share a common type of identifier, usually an asset name or a label. In industry, these labels may not always match exactly, and therefore it is time-consuming, difficult, and expensive to perform this task at scale using brute force. For this example, we'll look at image data from 6,000 individual power poles that are stored in SAP, each with a unique identifier. We want to match these images with GIS data that is stored in a different system. But as you can see in the diagram, the identifiers are similar but not exact. In Cognite Data Fusion's console, we'll first navigate to the entity matcher and select Quick Match. You can also use CDF to set up an entity matching pipeline if you receive new data on a regular basis. First, we'll select our sequences, which is the data coming from the GIS system. Then we'll select the data set from SAP. Now both lists are ready to be matched. Next, we'll select a simple machine learning-based matching model that matches based on name and then run the model. Within just a few seconds, the tool will load the data and then train a model that predicts which assets are related based on patterns that have been discovered in the identifier. We can then examine which patterns were derived from the algorithm and sanity check at a high level that the patterns are logical and valuable. For example, we can see here that the model is matching based on two separate sets of characters, F9066 and M576, which can be found in both sets of strings. We can also see that the model is 62% confident that this is indeed a match. Now in the same workflow, a subject matter expert can then start to validate that the matching rule is correct on a batch-by-batch basis. This saves considerable time when dealing with particularly large datasets. And now, in just a few minutes, over 6,000 matches can be made and then permanently linked together in Cognite Data Fusion, rather than existing in separate silos.